Kya kya? Hi guys, it is that time of the year. Valentine's Day is approaching and Mama Love has the best way you could bag a goth baddie. We are going to go step by step and make some cute chocolates today. Let's get it. Let's get into it. So first things first, we need to talk about our ingredients here today. Ghirardelli, best chocolate. Don't cheap out here. I went with milk chocolate and white chocolate. We're gonna need powdered sugar, kosher salt, Jif creamy peanut butter. You don't wanna get like the natural peanut butter. You don't wanna get any peanut butter that is like the chunky, nutty kind. Just get this is the best kind anyways. Do not argue this with me in the comments. And corn syrup, which is by the syrup. All right, now that we've washed our hands, the first thing we're gonna be doing is getting half of that peanut butter out of the jar. God, I love the smell of peanut butter. This is a refined kitchen. Okay. Now we're gonna microwave this. We're gonna microwave this for about 30 seconds. Get it all creamy, wet. Oh yeah, that's so creamy. So next we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. I feel like Valentine's Day doesn't have to be a typical like movie, flowers, like dinner, you know?
Shut up, bitch!
Next, we need a happy tablespoon of kosher salt. Here's our heaping teaspoon of kosher salt. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put in our powdered sugar. I don't think I had a Valentine until I was like 16. Do not do that at home. The video I saw, they used 3 cups of powdered sugar. I feel like they used a lot more peanut butter than me, so we're gonna start with 1. We're gonna see. We might need more peanut butter. We are now going to transfer the peanut butter into here. We got our scoop. And we're kneading it together. I can already tell I did something maybe wrong. I feel like one of those children whose parents made them start a slime company. I don't want to make slime no more, Mom. Okay, now it's actually starting to smell like a peanut butter cup. Wait, I smell a goth baddie on the horizon. All right, guys, this is your chance. Comment below. Who was your first goth crush? Lick them clean. I think it's time we melt the chocolate. First, we're gonna melt the red, because the red we're gonna use for some bloody decor. I did Google it. You can microwave plastic baggies. I didn't think you could. So we're basically just gonna like keep hitting 30 seconds until these melt, all right? I don't have a 30-second button. Should I have left the bag open? Let's go over some questions not to ask goth girls. Do you want to to Ramstein? Do you know your father? Is this for your mom's attention? Are you a freak? Is that collar for me or you? It's just to name a few. Perfect. Ow. Yeah. Oh, the bag bust. Oh, I melted the plastic.
You can microwave plastic baggies.
Ow. Oh, why did I touch that? We are now going to use the part of the red that I did not get plastic in, guys. Come on. All right, so this one we're gonna make like really bloody. You see how bloody I made it? Oh yeah. We're gonna put these in the freezer right now. All right, now it's time to get serious and start really pushing out some of this chocolate. So then we're gonna grab these from the freezer. So I'm just trying to like fill in the cross now. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just use this. So that way I can get it down. Whoa, no. Okay, there's one. Oh, no. No. All right, we're in our final stretch. I did the best I could. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little bit of the chocolate and squirt it along the bottom of our peanut butter cup. Huge oozing holes. Now shy, timid hole.
You need to leave!
Hell hath released itself upon my kitchen. I have ran out of chocolate. I've ran out of white chocolate. Everything is falling apart. I don't know why 1 cup takes half a thing of Ghirardelli. It's fine, it's fine. I have improvised. Everything is fine, gentlemen. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. We're going in. We at least need to make the fronts. Oh, I'm shaking. All right, there we are. We were able to get 2, I think, really good trays. I think this one's gonna be great. This one's gonna be great. If you've stuck with me this long throughout the video, that alone is proof you have the patience it takes to earn a goth girlfriend. I left mine for about 45-50 minutes, just to be sure. Look. Wait, we cooked. The hearts are very cute and they don't look like little butts. I also want to thank you guys the most. You guys have gotten me to 1,000 subs. My God, a goal, a blessing, a dream. I'm gonna be planning a video to celebrate. So if you guys want to drop any questions in the comments that you would like to ask and have me answer, I'm gonna do like a Q&A to celebrate. Okay, the hearts, they're perfect. They're beautiful. They don't look like butts. Let's start with the ones that I'm not afraid of. Wait! Guys! Okay. Oh, look at that. Rest in peace. Okay, not bad. There we go, the last bat one. Oh my God, wait. Oh, it's perfect. It tastes like a Reese. My only note, maybe less salt than I used. But yeah, make some Valentine's Day candies for your goth girlfriend. Like the video, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys have some questions to see in the next video. Again, I cannot thank you guys enough for being here and supporting me. We have a huge year ahead of us. I love you guys. Kya kya.